Unfortunately, I must go to pick up Roman from the hospital once again. He is a good swimmer, but just not the greatest. I told him to take off his jacket after our taxi driver fell through this bridge. I told him to take a shortcut. He said, "You want to take a shortcut?" And you will hear... Yes, cousin. Sir, I'm commandeering your boat, sir. Sir, I must very quickly, miss. I apologize, miss. Would you take me to the hospital, miss? Thank you. Oh no. Here we go. Miss. Sir, would you mind giving her a ride back to the shore? I apologize, miss. I shall exchange this boat for that